Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you're doing great, and today we are diving deep into Facebook ad strategies that can improve your ad performance and reduce costs. So if you're facing high CPM, that is cost per thousand impressions, or struggling with remarketing strategies, this video is for you. Let's break it down step by step in a simple way so you can apply these tips right away. And guys, at any time of this video, if you're really interested to check out my favorite strategy that which is making me thousands of dollars through online, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description. Now let's move with our first strategy. All right, now the first thing you need to understand is why your CPM might be rising. Okay, one major reason is narrowing your audience too much. Okay, so when your target audience is too small, Meta, that is Facebook, struggles to find affordable impressions. Since there's limited space to show your ads, Meta automatically increases your bid to compete for those impressions. So guys, if your CPM rises, expect higher cost per click and conversions. So at the start, avoid creating extremely narrow audience segments. Instead, start broader and refine based on performance. Now let's move with our second strategy, that is proper remarketing segments. So remarketing is powerful, but you must structure your segments carefully. And here is what I recommend. First is create an audience of people who added products to their cart in last 1 day. And also create another audience for those who added items to their cart in last 3 days. And then create additional segments for the last 7 days, 14 days and 28 days. And also guys, if you can check over here, you can create audience according to your needs. There are website, customer list, app activity, offline activity, videos, events, Facebook pages, everything is available here. So you can create your audience accordingly and remarket them. So this method helps you target people based on how recently they interacted with your website. For example, say someone who added a product to their cart yesterday is far familiar likely to convert than someone who visited 28 days ago, right? So please focus on remarketing segments. And the third one is avoid audience overlapping. So when setting up remarketing ads, we should be careful to avoid some audience overlap. For example, if one ad set targets the last 3 days and another ad set targets last 7 days, there's an overlap over here. The last 7 days group already includes those from the past 3 days, right? So to fix this, use the exclude feature in your audience settings. For example, if you're targeting the last 7 days, exclude those from the last 3 days. This ensures your ads reach different people without overspending. All right, now let's move with the fourth strategy, that is funnel strategy for budget allocation. For the best results, guys, structure your campaigns using the funnel approach. TOF, nothing but top of the funnel. This targets cold audience, people unfamiliar with your brand, and focus 70% of your budget here. Second is middle of the funnel, nothing but MOF, which targets people who have shown some interest but haven't converted yet. And the third one is bottom of the funnel, nothing but BOF, and there are your hottest leads, people who are ready to buy. Use the remaining 30% of your budget here. Spending more on TOF ensures you keep expanding your potential customers, which directly supports your remarketing success. All right, now let's move with the fifth one, that is pixel optimization for conversions. So guys, if you are sending traffic to your landing page or website, it's essential to configure your Meta Pixel correctly. For example, if you're running an e-commerce sales campaign, your pixel should optimize for purchase events. So if you are collecting leads, your pixel should track the lead event. Okay, this tells Meta that what type of action you want from your ads, improving the chances of getting the right conversions. And also sixth is using UTM parameters for tracking. Another important step is adding UTM parameters to your ad links. These are tags added to your URLs to track your traffic sources accurately. Platforms like Google Analytics use these tags to show detailed data about where your visitors are coming from. This helps you measure performance better and refine your strategies accordingly. And seventh one is understanding attribution settings. Meta offers several attributions windows that track conversions. Common options include 7-day click plus 1-day view, and which tracks users who click your ad and converts within 7 days, or view your ad and converts within 1 day. Okay, 1-day click is there over here. You can track only conversions that happen within 1 day of clicking your ad. Choosing the right settings depends on your product. For impulse purchases, 1-day click window may be ideal. For higher ticket items requiring more decision time, use the 7-day click settings. All right, so let's move what we have covered till now. Okay, first one is avoid creating very narrow audience group at the start. Second, build smart remarketing segments based on recent interactions. Third is exclude overlapping audience to avoid wasted budget. Fourth, allocate 70% of your budget to top of funnel campaigns to increase audience size. Fifth, use pixel optimization to track key events like purchases or leads. Sixth, always include UTM parameters to monitor traffic accurately. Seventh is choose the right attribution settings to match your sales cycle. Alright guys, so following this step will help you reduce your CPM, improve conversions, and make your Facebook ads campaign far more effective. I hope these tips help you level up your marketing game, right? So don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more actionable strategies. And guys, there is a special bonus for you. Please visit the second link in the description. I'm inviting you to my private community where I discuss in depth about all the strategies and money making tips. So don't miss this option, guys. You can please visit the second link in the description, get registered, and watch my free masterclasses over there. And you can grab everything from there. All right, so meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.